Do you want to know how to make the Fortnite Red Tag for your thumbnails? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to put examples of popular YouTubers putting it in their thumbnail. So now you've seen the examples, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off, you want to go to Photo P and you can use the online or the downloaded app. I'll use the online one for this example. New project, and you can do it on your actual thumbnail or as a transparent image. I'm just going to do transparent for now. And basically what you do is click on the pen tool just below the text tool. So let's say I'm just going to put new, for example. You can't see it, but it's there. I'm going to make a text. Use any text you want. I'm just going to use luckiest guy, that one, luckiest guy. Now you can sort of see it here, and basically, as I said before, pen tool, you want to click on shape and then click on the color. Obviously it's going to be red, and what you do is click on the corners. So you just click, and then obviously you want to do a point and try and line the dots up. You just want to bring the shape tool below your text, and I'm going to click on the text, sort of line it up in the middle as much as you can. Go back onto your shape tool and you want to click on blending options, stroke. Make sure you select it so it comes up with stroke and all the things you can do. Inside, position, and then you want to do 9, and you can look at how thick it is. Obviously change the color to white, and you can do it as thick and as thin as you want. So I'm going to do like 7. You can make your text as big or as small as you want, and that's basically it. All you do now, once you've finished it, is click on export PNG and you're done. And you can do this inside of your thumbnail as you're making it. So guys, that was how to make the red tag for your thumbnails, your Fortnite thumbnails. You can even put them in any thumbnail you want, really. But yeah, that's as simple as that. Instead of using online PNGs where they're going to be blurry, you can't make them the size you want. You can just make your own and make them look much better. So I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, make sure you like the video and comment what you want to see next.